Hello and welcome back to our free code camp course on regular expressions. This is match characters that occur one or more times. Sometimes you need to match a character or a group of characters that appears one or more times in a row. This means it occurs at least once and may be repeated. You can use the plus character to check if that is the case. Remember, the character or pattern has to be present consecutively. That is, the character has to repeat one after the other. For example, this pattern here, A plus with a G flag, would find one match in ABC and return A because of the plus. It would also find a single match in aabc and return AA. So that's because it sees one match, but within that match it occurs twice, so it does return when it's consecutive like that. If it were instead checking the string abab, it would find two matches and return A and A because the A characters are not in a row or like right after the other. There's a B between them. Finally, since there is no A in the string BCD, it wouldn't find a match. So you want to find matches when the letter S occurs one or more times in Mississippi. Write a regex that uses the plus sign. So within here, we would, using the plus sign, we would do the same thing. Like it shows the pattern, where is it at here? We would do the same, A, or we don't want to do A, we want to do S, and we want to do all of them. So that should grab, for Mississippi, all the S's. Let's do the G with the G flag. What else? The result should, well, let's just check to see if this works. We did pass it. So basically what we're doing here, if we console log result, we do get two matches, and that is the first pair of S's here, and it returns it, and it also returns that second pair. So what we learned in this lesson is basically what the title of this lesson is, which is match characters that occur one or more times, and that is using the addition syntax. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.